Hello and welcome to the Ottawa Bra Clinic. Different styles of our bras will fit differently, so we want to make sure to have the right measurements to go by in order to look up on the chart to see what size will fit you. You might take one cup size in one style of bra and another cup size in another, but we start with the same base numbers. So wrap the measuring tape completely around you and look for the band size. That's the measurement you'll take directly underneath your breast, and write that down. Example, 35-inch midriff. This is the number to use for figuring out the band size. Then take the measurement right around your breast. So you're wrapping right around your body. Write it down. So 40-inch bust size, for example, this is the number you use to figure out your cup size. These are starting numbers. Your bra size isn't that. It changes based on the style. So take those numbers and look at the bra size chart for each bra style. Find your band and bust measurements you took. See what size you are for that particular style. Example, in the example that I'm showing you right now, it's for the yoga bra. You view the band on the left column, find 35 inches. Look horizontally directly across until you see the inches of your bust. So you'd find the 40 inches and see what the cup size is. So you see, you've got the 35 on the left column. That says you're going to take a size 36 band and a size C cup. Now, if the chart puts you into two different sizes, if you like a snug fit, then you go for the lower size. If you like a more looser fit, go for the higher size. Okay, if you have any questions, please contact Michelle Burke at the Ottawa Bra Clinic. You can book a Zoom or Skype online meeting at ottawabraclinic.com/book-a-bra-fitting, or you can contact her via email at ottawabraclinic@gmail.com. Thanks and have a great day.